Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Kia Sportage SI, stock reference number 5117. This shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, non-sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.